Pufferfish. Pufferfish. Pufferfish ka nga. Pufferfish ka. Ulitin mo, ma.
Individual. Nakabigyan lang.
Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
Hindi na siya.
Pufferfish. Pufferfish.
Hindi ko alam. Outer din.
Sakto lang. Fresh pa rin.
Kita naman, di ba? Tumatawa.
Hindi siya sang-ayon, guys.
All the things I think about when I think about you, like the times you call it out, every little thing I do. Yes.
Nawawala yung electric fan niya. Iniwan niya sa, sa arcadean. Tig 700. Kakawala lang ng wallet niya. 400. Nag-acting na kami, guys. Iniwan niya po. Ayun, no. Hi. Happy ka naman. Sabihin ko na.
Kayo bahala.
Sa labas.
Kahit na yan, may panalaki na.
Yung wallet. Wala yung wallet, ha?
Gago! Nakita ko ito ng table.
Ayan! Sa'yo
Nasa
nawala
loob
yung
ng
wallet
istama.
mo, Gag.
Nakita kayo lang.
Sa'yo nawala yung wallet mo. Ganyan,
Guys,
makakalimot.
it's a prank.
All the things I think about when I think about you, like the times you call it out, every little thing I do. It's not. Bago matulog ng mahimik, naiisip kita lagi-lagi.
She's got the wealth, but it's more than just the cash. A mind so sharp, she turns heads in a flash. She knows what she wants, and she's got what it takes. Breaking all the rules, she's the queen of her fate. No one can stop her, she's a power, she's a flame.